Getting paid to play video games sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, it's not too good to be true because I do it. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not like a top tier gamer, but the fact of the matter is I don't have to spend any money on my gaming, and I actually get a little bit on top of that. I want to tell you how you can do that. If you want to make a gaming channel and monetize it, put it in the comments and make sure and subscribe to this channel where I teach people how to do just that, monetize YouTube channels. Comment down there that you subscribed, let everybody else know what you're doing. And let me tell you first, my channel that I monetized it last year. It's called Super Hippie Man. It's a virtual reality gaming channel. And like I said, it's not like a big, channel or anything yet, but within 9.5 months, I had that thing monetized and was making ad revenue. But the really cool part is I was making money off of it, and it was funding itself before I ever even hit 1,000 subscribers. So it is very possible to make money online with a video game channel and to have your hobby kind of like, covered and paid for. So how do you do that? Well, there are two different ways on YouTube. One of them is shorts and one of them is long form. I would not recommend just doing shorts. Shorts should be an aid to help boost your channel and get people to know about you. But if you try to monetize on shorts alone, here's the problem. To monetize a YouTube channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, okay? Start getting ad revenue. To monetize it with shorts alone, you need, in 90 days, 10 million shorts views. Now, I have a pretty decent amount of shorts views on my channel. They don't come close to 10 million within a 90-day period. Like, that's crazy. That would be that would be like getting 250,000 views on a short that you post every single day, I think. Is that right? You do the math. I don't know. That may be in a month's time. But the point is, the shorts route, definitely do shorts. It'll help people know about your channel, get you lots of attention. But it is not one of those things that you want to be like, I'm just going to do shorts and monetize the channel. It's going to be tough. So go the long form route. And if you do the long form route, I'm not a live streamer, but live streaming is pretty wise because if you're good at games, I'm not good at games, so I don't live stream. You can get all them super chats. Those things can add up if you get people really liking you. So that's a good thing. Now with long form, there's all kinds of options of ways to monetize your channel. You can do game reviews. You can do funny videos. You can just do gameplay. You can break games. I think, what's his name? Spiffing Brit. Does that sound familiar? I think that's what his name is. That dude just like breaks games. There's all kinds of speed runs, all kinds of ways that you can monetize. The biggest thing you need to do is when you pick which way you want to do it, assuming you enjoy it, stick with it. Stick with it. Don't be like hopping all over the place. And some days you have game reviews, some days you do comedy videos, some days you do, or what else did I mention? I don't know. But the point is, people want to expect a certain thing from you. The guys that I follow on YouTube, I am only looking to have certain kinds of videos out of them. There's guys I watch gameplay videos on. That's all I want to see from them. I don't want to see comedy videos. There's guys I watch reviews on. I don't want to see how funny they could be. I want to see if this game's good or not. And you really have to make sure that you don't get outside that niche. I have gotten outside my niche a lot lately, simply because I'm trying to find something that's not... when I do game reviews, I put so much work into it. It ends up being not worth it, in my opinion, because I'm like spending so much time on it. I'm like, this ad revenue is never going to pay for how many hours I put into this. So I've been experimenting with all those different things: comedy videos, gameplay videos, reaction videos. So far I haven't had much luck with it, but I'll get there. I'll figure it out. There's a dog chasing me. Don't get me, doggy. He's a biggin. He's a chocolate lab. Anyways, you can absolutely make money online with a gaming channel. You've just got to be consistent. If you say, okay, I'm gonna do game reviews, all right, great. You're gonna have to review a game that same time every week or 2 or 3 times a week, you know? If you feel like you can't keep that up, okay, then you need to pick something that you would enjoy and you can. There's the dog. Where's he at? There it is. He's behind me. He's real. Look at that puppy dog. Look at that puppy dog. I'm getting all distracted. Do you know how to do a gaming channel? You could have a YouTube channel all yourself. People would watch that all day long. But once you get that gaming channel going, ad revenue is not how you're going to be making all your money on it. You want to do like sponsorships. You want to do affiliate marketing, commissions. That's how I made my first dollars, was affiliate marketing commissions. And you want to make sure that you have this dog is distracting me so bad. Look at him. He's all over the place. Is there a game out there where you can be a dog? I think there might be. What's up, buddy? I don't know. There's something else. I don't know. The dog is distracting me so bad. But the main point is, you've got to focus on getting that attention first and perfect what you're in. You need to repeat what other people are doing successfully. Don't go try and do your own thing. That's the first thing I did on my channel. I tried to make what's called a Horizon Worlds Showcase channel. Great idea. People were loving it. But there's not even the audience out there to have 1 million views. Like, it's so niche down that I would realize there's a reason nobody else is doing this. I started noticing that other Horizon Worlds type, not what I was doing, but Horizon Worlds type channels out there, the biggest one out there was telling people how to use Horizon Worlds, only 5,000 subscribers. You know, and I was like, that might not be. But I was trying to come up with an idea that nobody'd ever done before. And if that's what you're trying to do, that's not going to be very successful. So make sure that you do not do what I did and you focus in on something that is popular and something that you enjoy. And remember I talked about shorts are a great way to boost your gaming channel, but not a great way to try to like just monetize solely off of. I did actually boost my channel to monetization when it was like only at 600 subscribers, and I was having some bad results and was losing my subscriber rate, and I boosted it up to monetization with shorts. If you want to know how I did that, check out this video right here after you subscribe and like the video. Peace.